What's going on, crypto family? Hopefully everyone is doing well in DeFi land. Momentary pause for the real investors to hit the like button, the subscribe, and notification bell for future content. This is the Diamond Stream, where diamond hand holders come to play. Welcome to the channel, where we talk about all things crypto, even though I love to stick to those passive DeFi platforms and projects. As always, nothing I say on this channel constitutes financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say on this channel is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. And never invest what you can't afford to lose. And as always, do your own research. Quote of the day. Quote of the day is, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Forrest Gump. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this Optimus V3. Transform and roll that 1% out, baby. So, over on the deck screener, go over here to the deck screener. And as you can see, I just pulled this thing up from October 17th all the way up until now. And look at this line. Look at this blue steady line. Look at this. And yeah, it's gonna bounce. You know, from what I hear, they use a trading bot to trade this OPT slash USD pair. But you know, even when there's a sell-off, this bot kicks in and it goes right back up. Sell off, right back up. Sell off, right back up. Sell off, right back up. So, and these people, I wouldn't really classify that as a sell-off. These are whales or people that have a lot of OPT3, and they're selling it. But that bot just kicks back in and it pulls it right back up. And as you can see, there's a steady increase in the price. There's a steady gradual increase in the price. There's been more buys than sales. They have a $5.3 million value in the last 24 hours. And you can just look at some of these sales and these buys. Looks like some people are down here trying to, I guess they're trying to day trade this thing. But anyway, I don't know why they would try to do it on OPT3. But anyway, that's on the DEX. And then we have the Twitter. When you go over to Twitter, they have 6,491 followers. If you click over here in the white paper, on the Twitter link in the white paper, it's gonna take you to the old OPT2 site, which doesn't exist anymore. So you'll know you got to the right site when you see this one right here. But they have 6,491 followers on Twitter, and it looks like they're doing contest designs, maybe for their NFT launch that they're going to do. Going over to the Telegram, they have 6,096 members in the Telegram. And then when I pull up the Telegram, somebody's massaging a cat. Okay. It's okay. You're okay. They're basically shielding this and saying that, you know, everybody needs a whole OPT3 anyway. But anyway, it's always got Optimus Prime on there. But you see these buys, right? When you go down, I scroll down on this, and these right here is the buy bot. So it's basically telling the Telegram members what they are, those that are buying, you know, whatever they're buying is showing them this. And look, somebody bought $1,000 worth of OPT3. Someone bought 5,000 worth. Looks like the bot threw in Optimus Prime for that big buy right there, right? And when you go up, $2,000 worth, $1,900 worth, $1,900 worth, $10,000. Somebody dropped $10,000 in there. So as you can see, you know, people are going. Some people, this might be a lot of money to them, so you could say they're going all in. Or some people might be just, you know, play money. This might be play money to some people. People putting GIFs in here, but anyway, so you know, you see the DEX, you see how it's going on DEX, you see how it's going on Twitter. You looked at the Telegram bot and looked at the buys. when you look over here on the white paper, it talks about Optimus. What is Optimus? It's a decentralized algorithmic trading protocol secured by the Polygon blockchain. Our protocol allows users to benefit from algorithmic trading without the hassle of making your own bots or using a sketchy third-party API linked to your identity on a centralized exchange. We know about those third-party apps, and I'm not going to say that a lot of them failed because people made money off those, but you just have to be careful when you let somebody else access your crypto accounts. Like if you had a crypto account on Kraken or wherever you had it on, you just have to be careful when you do third-party APIs. But it says Optimus is a low-risk algorithmic trading solution that generates profits for OP3T holders on a daily basis. So in other words, they're going to give you that 1% a day return. How does it work? It works by basically using this bot to trade on the pairs and everything that's associated with the OPT3, namely USDT. So they're doing, the bot is working this magic. And even though what I think, and what I believe is this bot is getting more than 1%, it's just giving us 1%. So, you know, in other words, they're making sure they get theirs in first and then giving us that 1%, which is, they say they guarantee they 1%. So, hey, good. That's all I came for is the 1%. What they do on their end, that's their business as long as this thing lasts. But the tokenomics here, they had a fair launch of 21 million pre-mined tokens. They said they're going to give 1% daily rewards to all those that hold this OPT3 in their wallets. Okay, and Optimus owns 100% of its own liquidity. So basically, they're in full control of this project. Fees, there aren't any fees. So all you have to do is hold this token in your wallet. You don't have to worry about anything else. Everything else is on autopilot. Go in there to quick swap, get your tokens, put them in your wallet, and it's going to gain that 1% daily. I would log in. Maybe I should log in. Should I log in? Yeah, I'll try to log in right quick. I got to change train. That's a tongue twister for you, right? But anyway, you make sure you're on the Polygon mainnet when you go over to do this, or nothing's gonna work. And you can be on Polygon mainnet or whatever one identifies and recognizes Matic. So I connected my account. And that's the wrong account. I don't know why I put it on Refinery. Good gracious. I got too many accounts on this thing. Anyway, I hope that some of you saw my last video and you got in on this Optimus when you did. It hasn't jumped that much since the last since my last video. I'll go ahead and refresh the page, but it's going up steadily. And you know, whenever you get in, that's when you're going to get your 1%. You know, that's when your 1% starts. And they have a little calculator here on the site that you can go ahead and you can just type in. You can just go ahead and type in. So I have 384 OPT3 tokens in here right now, which is equivalent to $600. And it's saying I'm making $6 a day. So I'm going to dump more money into here tomorrow, maybe do an update video. But, you know, for example, if you had the 384 tokens in here, like I do right now, in 1 month, the projected value will bump up to $812 versus 604 right now, and it will go from 384 tokens to 517 tokens. So let's fast forward about 6 months. So my projected value would be $3,200, roughly $3,200. 600 and what I have, you know, 600 is what I have now, and it'll be 3,200 within 6 months. I'll have 2,063 tokens versus my 384. See, this is if I don't do anything. This is if I don't dollar cost average in. If I don't put any more in, it's going to automatically, because it is 1% daily return. What I really like about this is the fact that you don't have to take anything out. You can just leave in your bonus that you're getting every day. This little bonus you're getting every day, this 1%, you leave it in the wallet. So it's essentially compounding on top of compounding. So it's compounding on top of what your balance is increasing by. So you don't have to take anything out, just leave it in, and it's going to automatically keep compounding. Let's see what in a year. I don't like doing projections out past 6 months anyway, but hey, in a year it's saying I'm gonna have 20 grand in here. And that's really good if this lasts a year, you know. What I want to do is I want to make this as fat and make this as big as possible. And they're even burning tokens. Look at that. They've already burned 1.2 million of these tokens. Market cap 62 million. So this thing has been going up. Total revenue 3.8 million. This thing is on autopilot right now. It's on autopilot. And this is my earn per day amount here, $6. This is my earn per month right now, $210 a month. That's if I don't do anything else. If I just leave it just like this, I don't add any more to it. But all this is going to change because my wallet is growing, it's rebasing, and my wallet is growing by 1% per day. So it's always going to keep changing. This is always going to keep increasing. So, hey, there it is, Optimus V3. Let me know where you think this coin value is going to go. If you're going to think it's going to go up to $2, $5, $10 per token, let me know in the comments. Peace.